Hey guys, this is Lawai, you're watching Roots and Rhymes, and today I'm going to show you how to build a solid tripod and bipod lashing using nothing but some wood poles and some paracord. Let's get into it. But why do I want to learn this? Because bipods and tripods are the backbone of bushcraft and survival shelters. You can use them to hang a pot over a fire. You can use them as the framework for a lean-to or an A-frame shelter, or even to raise a bed above the cold, wet ground. Mastering these lashings is one of those skills that will make your camp setup go from noob to pro real quick. So I got myself these 3 wooden poles here. I usually like mine about shoulder height, but it really depends on what you're building. We're gonna start with the tripod. So you're gonna need to know a few knots, the timber hitch, the clove hitch to cinch it down at the end, and lastly, a taut line hitch in order to adjust the height of your billy pot. Line up your poles. I usually like to do my lashings about 6 to 8 inches from the top. Wrap around, and then we're gonna just tie our timber hitch. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with this slip knot that we created, we can cinch that down real tight, just like that. And now we're gonna start wrapping upwards. Usually, I would say between 5 to 7 wraps is the sweet spot. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna wanna make sure that these are nice and parallel and not overlapping, okay? Now we're gonna wrap around back and come down through in between your first and, oh, there's like a knot right here. That's not good. Just like this, and start our frapping turns. So you might want to split the poles here to give it some space so you can actually fit your string. Back around like this. Make sure this is nice and tight. What you can do here to tighten it is grab another stick and just wrap it around. Wrap your string around that stick, grab the stick and pull. And back around. Just like this. Okay, make sure that's nice and tight. All right, so now you should have 2 wraps in the back and 3 in front. Okay. Next, you're passing it down once more in between those 2 poles, just like so. And now we're gonna wrap around back behind this middle pole. So we're going behind that middle pole, and now we're gonna go in between this pole and back around. So essentially what we're doing is frapping, but in the opposite direction now. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. And again. There we go. Again like this. For a second wrap. Nice and tight. Back over. So you're left with 3 again here. Okay, so you have 3 on the front side of both and 2 on the back side of both wraps, as you can see here. Okay, and now you're just gonna want to lock this down with a clove hitch. So you go around and back through right here. Clove hitch, you got that locking bar and you're 2 under. So just like this, you can cinch that down. That's the tripod. Now you stand it up and you'll see that as you spread this out, it's gonna tighten down. Now, with this paracord that's running down your tripod, you can grab your billy pot and just tie yourself a nice taut line hitch. So give yourself enough room here. You're gonna go around once, around twice, and now back around and over those 2. Just like so. Tighten that down. So once you got that taut line hitch tied in, you can easily adjust the height of your billy pot over your fire, as you can see. All right, for the bipod, similar idea. You want to create that same slip knot here so that we can tighten it down, and just grab this here so it doesn't slip and start wrapping around your string. About 5 wraps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. And tighten that down, just like so. What you can do is bring this little end that's sticking out here and just include it in your wraps. Next step is to wrap 5 to 7 times towards the top. And you see how I'm just grabbing that as I'm going along? It's just gonna give a cleaner look and make it tighter. So let's go ahead and start wrapping this. 1, 2, make sure nothing's overlapping, nice and parallel. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're coming down through. We're gonna go around the pole on the right and down through in between. Yeah, just like that. Now we're going down in between and back around. 1. I'm gonna show you guys what I meant earlier with the tightening. Let me get another stick here. So you can grab a stick and just wrap around it a few times and just use this as leverage to really cinch that down. You guys see that? So we got 1 wrap, we want 2 wraps. 1, 2. So 2 on both sides, come back down between the middle. And the last thing to do is just to tie a clove hitch on this top half here on the other end. Just like so. Last thing you gotta do, spread that like that, and you got yourself a nice bipod here. What's nice is you could use 2 of these, put another ridge pole along the top, and you can build a shelter like this. You could have a drying rack for some meat. And that's it, the bipod and tripod lashing that every serious woodsman should know. If you learned anything, hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, leave a comment down below. And last but not least, I'll see you in the woods.